Another unboxing video is finally arrived. We got a double deletion pack, Mega-Wrex and Skelesaurus. Let's see. Brother, please unbox it. We got a Mega-Wrex. Look guys. Wreck and roar. It's so cool. Tail. And we got the Skelesaurus. Embrace of extinction. Look guys, there's a monster truck's body on inside there. Look closely. It's an ancient evil monster truck. So here is a double deletion pair, Mega-Wrex and Skelesaurus. I love they both. They're both from the Hotwheels Monster Truck Lives. And let's see who will win to do my Monster Trucks Kings number 6. And guys, Kings number 6 is coming soon. Tuesday. I think Mega-Wrex will win. From
but guys, I think Rex is heavy. Skelesaurus is light.
His body is shining, but he's not.
He's smooth.
Yeah, he's smooth. Like Gurgrow.
And white streak also.
Yes. And look his tires. Tires are different from the original monster trucks. Mega-Wrex got green roll cage and silver chassis. Look at this, it's so cool this one. Skelesaurus got a pink roll cage and gray chassis. It's an ancient evil monster truck. And thank you for watching for this channel and subscribe for my channel. Bye.